Hello and welcome to another update video about Filecoin. Yeah, the Filecoin has reacted to this resistance area. I haven't made many Filecoin videos recently, but there was one where we talked about this resistance area as a first, let's say, area to break through to unlock prices in the $13.62 plus resistance area. And the price got rejected just below the 78.6 retracement, which is a key resistance level for the white wave 2 to the upside. Yeah, this is the bearish wave count. I mean, they're both not really bullish because of this 5-wave move down we talked about, right? However, I definitely give the bulls here the benefit of the doubt in the short term, just because of the wider market and what the sector should be doing or is generally working on. But the overall, the overall idea is that we could still form one more high, and I have support areas defined between $4.28 and $5.09. The idea is, looking at the structure itself, that it would look best with at least one more high, because there are two wave counts, right? There is one where we say we have a 5-wave move down and then an ABC structure to the upside. Well, that could be it, but that would be an extremely weak wave 2. And then from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is one scenario. This is a plausible scenario, but I need a break below 4.28 to confirm that we've really topped there. Until then, one more high could happen. It could even happen from here, but the idea would be one more high is plausible as long as we're holding 4.28. This could be a wave 4. It could also be a B wave pullback. So I've added a, I've moved down a little bit that support zone because of various possibilities here. Yeah, I mean, I cannot rule out that, for example, we are still in the third wave, but then it's an A, B, C, whereas it is likely that this is already the third wave top. Then we're in a fourth wave. Could stretch out a little bit time-wise before we push higher. But one more high appears likely, also based on what I see as probable scenario for many other cryptocurrencies. Now, to confirm the next move up has started, takes a break above that last high at 847. And then the next resistance, well, there is some resistance around the previous high, obviously from March this year, around $11.80. And then above that level, we've got this section here between $13.62 and $14.37. And above that level, even $20. I'm not sure if we get there. If this is just an internal B-wave pullback here, yeah, it might stretch a little higher, but that is at this stage uncertain. I would definitely get very, very cautious, not bearish, but cautious after the next high. So that is how I see Filecoin right now. I would not call it top until we really break support, but I've always said that Filecoin is not a great chart because it's a 5-wave move down. All rallies have been corrective in nature. And I mean, maybe it doesn't even form that 5th wave, but it would be expected to form it right now just because we're still holding above support and the altcoin sector is still in a rally that doesn't look finished, I would say, right? So I keep the door open for higher very clearly, but the overall context on this chart is not clearly bullish, which means be cautious. That's the update about Filecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.